The Cusimax Electric Stove infrared hot plate is a versatile and efficient cooking solution designed for a variety of settings, including dorm rooms, offices, homes, and camping trips. With decades of experience in manufacturing hot plates, Cusimax has continuously refined its products based on market feedback to meet the needs of end users. This model promises rapid heating, compatibility with all types of cookware, and portability, making it an attractive option for those in need of a reliable and flexible cooking appliance. The Cusimax Electric Stove features a sleek black stainless steel body and a 7-inch ceramic glass double-burner cooktop. The overall design is compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport and store. This cooktop's modern aesthetic fits well in any kitchen or portable cooking setup, while the durable materials ensure it can withstand frequent use. The smooth ceramic surface is not only stylish but also practical, as it is easy to clean with just a damp cloth once it has cooled down. One of the standout features of the Cusimax infrared hot plate is its rapid heating capability. Unlike traditional cast iron hot plates that take several minutes to heat up, the infrared burners on this model heat up in mere seconds. Powered by 120 volts and offering 900 watts per burner totaling 1800 watts, this cooktop provides sufficient power to handle a variety of cooking tasks. Whether you're warming sauces, scrambling eggs, grilling cheese sandwiches, boiling water, making soup, or cooking pasta and vegetables, the Cusimax hot plate delivers efficient and consistent heat. The Cusimax electric stove is compatible with all types of cookware, including glass, copper, cast iron, and aluminum. The burners accommodate pots and pans with a maximum size of 7.1 inches, ensuring a good fit for most kitchen utensils. This flexibility allows users to utilize their existing cookware without needing to purchase special induction-compatible pots and pans. The infrared technology used in the hot plate ensures minimal heat loss, making cooking more efficient and reducing overall cooking time. The Cusimax infrared hot plate is designed with user convenience in mind. Its compact size makes it an ideal choice for small spaces, such as dorm rooms, offices, and RVs, or as an additional cooking appliance in a busy kitchen. The portability and ease of use are significant advantages, especially for those who need a reliable cooking solution on the go. The cooktop also includes an automatic safety shutoff function regulated by a thermostat. The indicator light turns on and off automatically to maintain the desired temperature, providing peace of mind and preventing overheating. Safety is a critical consideration in any cooking appliance, and the Cusimax electric stove addresses this with several built-in safety features. The infrared cooktop operates with far infrared heating, which does not emit electromagnetic radiation, making it safe for the human body. The automatic safety shutoff function ensures that the unit turns off if it overheats, further enhancing safety during use. The black stainless steel body is built to withstand regular use, and the durable ceramic cooktop can handle the demands of everyday cooking. Maintaining the Cusimax infrared hot plate is straightforward due to its smooth, easy-to-clean ceramic surface. Once the cooktop has cooled, it can be wiped down with a clean damp cloth to remove any spills or splatters. Cusimax offers a 30-day money-back guarantee and an 18-month warranty when registered, demonstrating their commitment to customer satisfaction. The product is also covered by product liability insurance in the United States and is EDL listed, conforming to all standards for safety and quality. Additionally, Cusimax provides free lifetime customer service, ensuring that any issues are promptly resolved or the product is replaced. In conclusion, the Cusimax electric stove infrared hot plate is a highly efficient and versatile cooking appliance that caters to various cooking needs. Its rapid heating capability, compatibility with all cookware types, and portable design make it an excellent choice for individuals in dorms, offices, RVs, or anyone in need of an extra burner in their kitchen. The safety features and durable construction further enhance its appeal, providing reliable and safe cooking performance. Whether you're a student, a busy professional, or an avid camper, The Cusimax infrared hot plate offers a practical and efficient solution for your cooking needs. Its user-friendly features and robust warranty support make it a risk-free investment in a versatile and reliable cooking appliance. Have you tried the Cusimax Electric Stove? Share your experiences and cooking tips in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and kitchen gadget recommendations. Happy cooking!